welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a very exciting unboxing. It is from Louis Vuitton, my dream bag from Louis Vuitton. I've been searching for this thing for ages and ages, and I still do not know how it's real that I have this item now. It's like, I'm still like, how? I can't believe it. I can't believe it. But I mean, I got lucky one day and here we are. So I'm super excited to share with you this unboxing. I think I'm going to put the title, like the name of the bag, in the title anyway, so you probably know what this bag is. It is going to be the Louis Vuitton Nano Speedy. Like, this isn't real life, guys. You have no idea. Like, I've been searching for this bag everywhere. New York, LA, here. Every time I ask all my essays, they're like, it's very rare, it hardly comes into the store, and it's just non-existent. So I'm like, I always stalk the website for this bag and it's never available. Like, I'll get lucky sometimes and be able to purchase handbags online when they're very rare, but this one I could never come across. So I just don't believe that I have this bag. Before we get started, guys, hello, my name is Maria Scotto. I like to do videos on luxury unboxings, luxury hauls, luxury what's in my bags, reviews, and all that fun stuff. If you're in that kind of thing, then please consider to hit that subscribe button, and yes, let's be friends. This is such a fun community, and I just love talking about handbags because in my normal day in life, no one could care about handbags, but I know when I talk about handbags on here, everyone cares and has the same passion that I do. So I love coming on here and creating videos for you guys and just talking about handbags. Like, I could talk about handbags all day. So yeah, please consider to subscribe. I did order it from my essay at the Short Hills Mall, and yeah, so I got it there. Came in the mail. It literally took one day too, and I was so excited. She gave me a shopping bag, which I always request because I like to keep my box in there, but here we are. Comes in this box, and I'm so excited. So this, I did look at it prior. I could not wait. Yesterday I was at work and it came, and my mom was able to sign for me and everything. So at night when I got home from work, I just opened it and I had to look at it because I mean, I cannot wait, guys. I'm so sorry this isn't a true unboxing, but I just cannot wait. So yeah, here is the box it comes in, and the ribbon is so pretty. So I'm gonna undo it now. Here we go. This is the ribbon, and this is the classic magnetic opening and closure of this bag. Oh, the receipt just fell in there. I'll show you guys that after. But if you open it, this is what it looks like. And here she is. Oh my gosh, guys. Put that down. And I'm so excited. Okay, so this is the dust bag that it comes in, and dun 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 dun. I cannot believe it, you guys. She is so cute. I cannot even. Oh, this is such an adorable bag. Honestly, I thought it was a little bit bigger because I've never even seen this bag. I've only seen it like on pictures on Instagram and all, but when I got it, I thought it was a little bit bigger, but I'm totally fine with this size. It is so adorable, and also comes with a strap, which I really love. And also, this is the 2022 version. They have the older version that doesn't come with the detachable straps. This one has a detachable strap, which I really love because I can use other straps with this bag. So this is the strap that it comes with. It is leather, and I just really love it because you can also adjust the strap to your liking as well, which is really nice. You guys know that I love that versatility if the strap can be adjusted. But yeah, this is also the tags that it comes with, and it's the Nano Speedy. Here it is, the tag. So there you go, if you want to check out this item online. And yeah, the interior is this brown color. This is also made in France, which I really love. So it says right there on the tag. I don't know if you're gonna be able to pick it up, but it definitely says made in France, Louis Vuitton. And yeah, that is my unboxing. I cannot wait to do a what's in my bag to show you how much you can actually fit in this bag. I tested it out yesterday and I can literally fit all my essentials in this bag. And I can't wait to do a review on this bag and use it more and show you all the mod shots and everything. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions about this bag, leave them down in the comments. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram, I'll put my name on the screen. Please go follow me, and I hope you have a great rest of your day or night wherever in the world, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.